So once Node.js was installed, you can create a simple JavaScript application first. I hope everyone is familiar about JavaScript. So I will explain very simple JavaScript 2 experiment. After that, I'm entering into Express.js experiment. Okay. So first start from a basic experiment of JavaScript. So finish. So now Node.js which install in your machine, press any key to continue. Yes. If needed, it install the additional tools of Windows PowerShell, but it's not mandatory. Anyway, I will minimize it. Now I will open a command prompt. So I will open a command prompt. I will open a command prompt. Then I will entering into any directory, F drive. I hope my screen is visible. So now I will check whether Node.js is working properly or not. So I will type node-v. So the version of Node.js which will be displayed. Please wait. The version is 18.17.0. Node-v, then press enter, which will say 18.17.0. Yes, fine. Now Node.js working fine. Now I will open a notepad. I will just open a notepad and then I will increase font size for your visibility. Now I will type a simple line console.log. I will print a message hello. I will say, sorry, semicolon. I will save this program, file, save as. I will enter into my F drive and then I will create a folder named as test. Inside that I will paste my file, either inside double quotes or in the drop down box we will choose all files. So I will place double quotes. My first file which is called a sample.js. JS is an extension for all JavaScript file. So sample.js. Now I will open to my command prompt. I will go to my command prompt, then type cd test, and then I will type node, my file which is named as sample.js. I will press enter, which will print the output as hello. I hope everyone familiar about this. Is it clear? Then I'm entering into next level of JavaScript program and then I'm directly entering into Express. Is it clear or not? Initially I'm installing Node.js. After that I'm verifying whether Node.js is working fine or not. So I will type node-v. Then I will open a notepad and then type a program and then compile node-file name that automatically compile and print the output. Is it clear or not? Because 12 o'clock is a very tough time for learning program. But anyway, it's not a problem because only learning for 2 hours. So it's not a problem. Anyway, is it clear or not? Please use chat box. Please, please, please. Thank you. Only one reply. Thanks. I think there are 36 members from one Google Meet. And the second one, there are 69 members. I think more than 100, but reply are very, very few. Why? Because programming, full stack development is very essential. Currently, each and every organization which need full stack developer. So programming was easy. Each and every components are available. The entire rich text library was available. So please listen carefully. It's very essential. Currently I'm starts base only. We have just half an hour. So tomorrow session completely for hands-on for all those experiment with Unit-2. Okay. So please listen carefully. So it's for base. The fundamentals are very essential. Fundamental JavaScripts are very essential. So the base, without base, it's not possible for learning Express. So please listen carefully. Yeah. Now I'm writing a function. I hope everyone is very much familiar about function. So now I will write a function. So I will clear this. I will write a function. So function, the function named as test stuff. So I will write a function. Okay. The test function which will print console.log. The test function which will print test hello. Okay. Now I will save my file in the same program. Save. Okay. Now I will execute this program, but it won't display anything. Check that. Okay. Why? The function was not invoked. The function was not called. So I will call that function using the keyword. So test of. Now I will call the function. Okay. I will save and I will execute it. Okay. If it need one more time, I will copy paste again and I will say, now I will execute my program again, then it will print 2 times. Okay. This is for basic function. I hope everyone very much familiar about this function. Now I will entering into the same. I will delete this. I will delete this. I will place open parenthesis here. Please listen carefully. I will place open parenthesis here. I will place close parenthesis here. Again, I will open parenthesis, close parenthesis, semicolon. I will save. Now I will execute my program. Okay. Is it clear? I will start with open parenthesis. I will end with another open parenthesis. I will close parenthesis. I won't call function anywhere, but function automatically invoked. Please listen carefully. Open parenthesis here, close parenthesis here, and again open parenthesis, close parenthesis, semicolon. Okay. Clear? This is for normal function. Okay. Start from open parenthesis, end with close parenthesis and open parenthesis and close parenthesis. This is for normal function. Is it clear or not? So function automatically invoked. So this function which is called as self-extracted or self-call function. So always here we are calling always self-call function. Okay. So self-call function, please listen carefully. Self-call function which won't need function name. Yes, am I right? The function was self-called. It automatically called. Why it need function name? So I will remove this function name. Okay. Now I will execute. It says error. So I will change something in our program. So I will place symbol. Yes. Is this clear? So this is for function. This is a way of writing. Sorry. This is a way of writing function in JavaScript. Is it clear or shall I repeat again? Please use chat box. So this is very much mandatory. Each and every line we are using like this. Is it clear or shall I repeat again? Please use chat box. Thank you. Yeah, I will repeat again. So I will write a function. Function named as greet. I will greet a message. So function named as greet off. So inside that, I will type method console.log. I will print the greetings. I will save the file. Now I will execute that file. It won't print anything because function was not called. Okay, function was not called. So for calling that function, I will write greet off again. So now I will save. Sorry. Now I will save and then execute, which print the message greetings. Okay. Now, automatically call this function. I will open a parenthesis here. I will close a parenthesis here. Again, a function comes. Okay. This is for self-called function. This is for self-called function. So this greet off is not needed. So save the file. Now I will execute file. File was automatically called, which will print greetings off. File will automatically call, which will print greetings off. So there is no need for additional call of greet. So the function was not additionally called. Then why this is needed? Why this function name is needed? So I will remove this function name. Okay, I will remove this function name. Now save the file. It displaying a error message. Okay. For avoiding this, I will place a function tends to open curly brace console.log this message, then close curly brace, then this. This is a way of writing self-called function without name. This is very, very essential for each and every time in AngularJS, React.js, Vue.js, and all those frameworks mandatorily need this JavaScript functions. Is it clear or not? Please use chat box. No problem. If it's not clear, please say not clear. It's not a problem. I will repeat. Because this is very essential. Without this base, it's not possible for entering into any kind of Express function or Angular function. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Now we are entering into the first first Express.js program. Okay. I will entering into my slide. I hope my screen is visible. Yes. So if this is for first basic Express.js program. Okay. Constant, please listen carefully. Constant Express, which require Express. So which require a package, which additionally need a package called as Express. So it need a package. Okay, fine. Then constant app Express off. So now I am creating a new app, the app inside the Express. So then my project, which is named as app. So the app program, it's called the method Express off. So it's a sub class or sub component of Express. Okay. Now I will create a port number. So port number is 3000 for responding my web page. So it will create 3000. Okay. So then app.get, I will write a method app.getOff. Inside that my parameter is slash in the sense localhost 3000. So request comma response tends to respond. This is the function. Please listen carefully. I hope it's clear. This is the function app.getOff. This is my function. Inside that a function of tends to the value. Okay. The function having two parameters. One is request, another one is response. Then response dot send hello world. Response dot send hello world. Then app.listen port. It's listen in the port number 3000. Whenever started, a server was started. These two are mandatory. This was our design. I will execute first. After that, I will explain one more time. Okay. So now I will type this program. Not type. I will copy paste this program. Okay. I will copy and I will open a new notepad and then paste this program and then file save as. I will create another folder named as Express. Then inside that I will save my file as exp.js. Okay. I will save this file. Now I will entering into my directory. So cd dot then cd express. Sorry, cd dot cd express. Then I will check my program first. It won't work. I think it display module. Which module? Express module not found. Express module not found. So I will type. Please listen carefully. Type npm node packet manager init. Please listen carefully. Before that, I will open that file. Express. Only one file is available. Okay. Only one file is available. exp.js. Now I will check. npm init init node packet manager initialization, which need package name express. We need a package name express. So I will type express. Okay. Which version of express is needed? You take one, no problem. Any description? Not required. Entry point? Yes. Test command? No. Git repository? No. Keyword? Enter. Author? Enter. License? Enter. Yes. And we create a package.json file inside the same. Please listen carefully. Automatically, which create package.json file. I will open that file. Okay. Each and every project, please listen carefully. Each and every project which comprising of package.json file. JSON file, JavaScript object notation. JSON is a JavaScript object notation. Key and value pair. Key and value pair. Key and value pair. So each and every project, it's mandatory for placing a package.json file. So initially, so you can type npm init -y. Okay. Then -y means it automatically create package.file. It won't ask these yes. So I will place yes for all. So it won't need for typing yes again. So it's very easiest method, npm init -y. Okay. Then now the package.json file is ready. Why this package.json file is needed? So always each and every project which comprising of n number of packages. Okay. For example, my project which need a package named as calculator and calendar and then math and then express and then react. So which need numerous number of packages. So I have installed all those packages. Whenever I copied my project, so all those packages also copied and moved into somewhere. It's toughest one. So because of that reason, it create a package.json file. Whatever package install and whatever version install, which will be holds on package.json. So simply like C program, we think about C program. For example, I need stdio.h, I need something conio.h, I need something string.h. So whatever header files needed, that header files which recorded in package.json file. But C in the sense every packages are by default available in TurboCK. But here no packages are available. Whenever needed, I will type, please listen carefully, I will type npm install, by short npm I. I can type that whatever packages available in package.json, this file was installed in your machine. Okay. Now I need a new package. Please listen. npm I-g for global. I need a package named as express. npm install in the sense shortcut I. G for global. So install for common express. So now I will open my package.json file. Please listen carefully. Yeah. Here the express package, already express package available. Anyway, I will install express package. Okay. The package named as express 1.0. Already I have typed ng-init. During ng-init I have typed, so that package is available. Whatever other packages needed, you can use this method. npm I-g express. Okay. Now I will run my program. Node exp.js. I think some modules was not found. npm I-express. Now only express module install. Okay. Express install, which create a folder named as node modules. Inside that, all those sub packages was installed, but here now only it install. Okay. I don't know why. Node express.js. Okay. Please listen carefully. My program was running. Example app is listening on port number 3000. Allow. Now I will open my browser. I will open my browser and then open a new tab. I will type localhost colon 3000. Please listen. My hello world is printed on here. Now I will open my Express.js program. I will explain again. So this is for Express package was called port number 3000. My program was running on port number 3000. App.listen in the sense program was running. Now I will write a method app.get / request response hello world. I will type another method. App.get, my method named as hello. Here it will print welcome you all. Okay, this is my first method. I will print place slash which will print response.send hello world. I will place slash hello which will print welcome you all. Save. I will go to my browser. Sorry, I will stop and execute again. Control C for stop. Then I will execute again. Now I will go to browser. I will refresh. Hello world is printed. I will type slash hello, which will print welcome you all. Whatever API needed, you can create separate function app.get. App.get slash in the sense localhost colon 3000. Localhost is the default name of my machine. 3000 is a port number, whatever I said. I will change the port number into 4000. Now save the file and I will stop using Control C and then I will execute again. Now I can refresh 3000. 3000 is not working. Then I will change the port number into 4000. So it's listening on the port number 4000. So I will place slash hello, which will print the message welcome you all. Is it clear? Any doubts? Please unmute and speak. Because after 12 o'clock, it's very tough to listen program. I'm also understanding the same. But anyway, it's my duty. So anyway, tomorrow session, we will directly focus on the entire web application for connecting Express.js, React.js with the database. So it's very essential. So the base was fundamental was very essential. So please listen carefully. This is a method of writing method. So function of tends to function call. This is a parameter response. So response, which is a parameter, response, which is an object, the object which pointing the client side browser. So response.send, the entire data would send to the browser. Okay. So hello world, which is printed. Please use chat box. Any question, please? Or shall I proceed? Is it clear? Or shall I repeat? Is this for calling function twice, sir? No. This is a separate function. This is a separate function. Whenever needed, you can place slash. For example, I have an API. I hope everyone familiar about the buzzword API. Tomorrow also I will explain again. So API, one API for getting user data, another API for getting faculty data. So I will type slash user, it will get user data. I will place slash faculty, it will get faculty data. These are the two separate functions or two separate API for getting two separate data from database. So Express.js for backend programming. So slash faculty, the entire faculty data which fetched from database and written. Slash student, the entire student data which fetched from student database and display. Okay, is it clear? Shalini Janma. Is this clear? So if I'm placing slash, yes, thank you. Any other question from student side? I hope there are 67 students are available. So any questions? Or is it clear? Please use chat box. Or otherwise unmute, there is no problem. Unmute and speak. Faculty side, shall I proceed? because this is a base. This base was very essential for continuing full stack development, because full stack, it's very interesting as well as it's very much essential for industry. Currently, each and every industry which need full stack developer, there are huge need in each and every industries. Even for small scale industries, MNC, there is a huge need in full stack developer, but the developers are very less. So learn this subject as well as learn this lab in a careful manner. It's very much helpful for your career. Okay, so the base was very essential. Always the foundation, which is very essential. Then only it's for building a house or building a tree. It's very it's fruitful manner. So this function was very essential. Shall I continue? Please. Still no reply. Why? Okay, I will continue. Sorry. So these are the two functions. The first one, for example, I will print student, which will print student data. Student data. Okay, for example, student data, I'm having let M1 equal to 100, let M2 equal to 200, sorry, 99. I will have two students mark, so I will print the same student data plus M1 plus M2 and say, then I will print faculty. Then here I will print let name of the faculty equal to something called as Raja. Then welcome you all plus name. I will say, then now I will execute the program. Then I will open the port number, localhost colon 4000, and then I will type student. It will print student. The first mark is 100, the second mark is 99. This is not a design. The Express is used for only returning the data. Then I will type faculty. I will type localhost colon 4000 slash faculty, which will print welcome you all Raja. Okay. If I'm sending data, this is for always I'm focusing on request. Now I'm writing a method for request, not response. So I will delete the same. So I will create a new method for get data. So this is for getting data. So I will remove this. So I will type let something D1 equal to request dot query dot my query, which is named as data1. Then let D2 equal to request dot query dot data2. So I will pass two data. The two data are printed here. So D1 and D2. Okay. Now I will save the file /data. So I will stop it and then I will execute again. Now I will go to my browser and then I will type, please listen carefully. I will type data. Then the two variables are undefined. Now I will type question mark data1 equal to 10 ampersand data2 equal to 20. Now I will type, sorry, equal to is wrong. So 10 and 20. Please listen carefully. Again, I'm repeating the same. app.get /data. So I will type /data question mark data1 equal to 10 ampersand data2 equal to 20. So this data1 which passed to request.query.data1. So 10 which is stored in D1. Request.query.data2. So 20 which passed to D2. Response.send student data plus D1 plus D2. Then